Let's take a look together at the affiliate mode of Wisewand, but more specifically, not just the affiliate mode, but how to create a review. Because you'll see that we'll have a video on how to make a review, compare X or Y, or use a comparison tool ranking. So for the video on how to make a review, here's what the create a review mode is all about. And I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So first of all, the keyword for me will be review. Wisewand, quite simply, because with Wisewand, we offer an affiliate program. So I might as well show you an example that involves our own tool. We have the product name, so Wisewand. I could put existing reviews here. So for example, in this case, if you're making a review about an Amazon product, you can absolutely include the review page. Amazon and Wisewand will be able to fetch user reviews from within those pages. If you don't specify anything, since it's optional, Wisewand will handle it and fetch reviews directly for the product you've entered. Here you have the affiliate links. So the more calls to action you add here, thank you. So the more affiliate links you add, the more calls to action you'll have on your page. In this case, we're going to leave 2, and you can choose the link anchor right here. So for the link URL, you put your affiliate link, and for the link anchor, you enter the anchor text. So for the link anchor, it could be something like try Wisewand now, or create your first article right away. You can even add emojis to your link anchors. There's a promo code section. So if you're a partner of a tool through affiliate marketing, you can absolutely add your promo code and specify here the discount percentage you have access to. Right here for the target query, the answer to the search intent and the additional information, everything can be generated automatically. It takes about a minute. What I suggest is that as soon as it's done, we'll meet back to see the result. A minute later, there we go. So we have the target keyword, which is of course Avi Wisewand. The type of intent is commercial, review summary, detailed product review, dominant outline type, in-depth analysis, user objective, to evaluate the quality and performance of the tool. So here, Wisewand has automatically gathered everything we need to write good content. And of course, you can manually add here any information to avoid. So if you want your article to avoid mentioning a competitor or something like that, you can specify it right here. Before starting the generation, what we're going to do is go into options. And in options, we'll choose whether or not to enable the in brief box. So I'm going to enable it. I'm enabling the summary. The information table, so the in brief box, sorry, I'm not going to enable it. The bullet list, I'm going to leave it enabled as well. Links, well, you can configure links, but in this case, here, these are affiliate links. So I'm going to leave that enabled. So the famous link that goes to an external site, the cover image, I'm leaving that enabled as well. The image within the content. I'm going to enable that too with an image inside the content. Internal linking, I'm going to leave that enabled. Bold words, quotes, I'm not going to enable those. Everything else, I'm not enabling. So by default, everything is properly enabled unless you want to disable or enable the in brief box. And when it comes to publishing, I can link it directly to my website. Impact TM for direct publishing. I know the article is going to talk about Wisewand, so I'm going to put it in SAS's articles, for example. And author, Arthur. And so now I can generate my content, which should be generated as usual in 5 to 10 minutes. So I'll see you in a moment for the result. There we go. The article is created. And so we have our title right here. Wisewand Review, the undetectable ISO writer. Summary of our review of Wisewand. So here we have all the key points summarized in a diagram. Wisewand is not just that. It's not just a text enumerator, it's an AI writing tool. So obviously we're not going to read everything. You can see here we have an internal link to another one of my articles on the same topic, by the way. Try Wisewand right now. So here, this is the first call to action, which in reality would deserve to be put on a new line, for example, which you can easily do in edit mode right here. So you can absolutely put it on a new line and add a bit of spacing to make it a little more visible. And we have the same issue, I think, with this call to action here. A bit isolated. So the best thing to do in any case is to go back over the content, reformat it, make sure everything is fine, that the internal links are relevant enough, etc. Before publishing it online, you might also want to add some images from inside the tool. But in any case, Wisewand allows you to have a review tool plus the product name of very good quality that ranks well. We have many affiliates who use Wisewand today and who are getting very good results with our content.